have a very special guest, so I'm going to add him very soon. I'm your host, Sonia Dubey Divan. I'm the founder of Indian School of Village Management. So I welcome all of you to School of Life by ISIM. And I'm going to add our today's speaker. We have Raman with us. Hi, Raman.
Hello, hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Like all of us, ज़्यादा घूमना नहीं हो रहा है आजकल तो अच्छा है घर पे ही है.
I know we are all in lockdown and it's just it's now getting you. Matlab you want to get out and you want to just like step out of the house. So I have Raman with us, everyone. And Raman, I'm going to take a moment here and introduce you to our audiences. So today we have with us Raman Iyer, and who's a great musician. Raman has been playing the mandolin for now 21 years and have learned the Western School of Music. Having learned the Western School of Music, he moved on to the Hindustani and Carnatic styles, and he's also passionate hunter for stories. He's the co-founder of Neeraj Arya's Kabir Cafe and comes with an extensive advertising and consumer behavior experience garnered before making the switch to pursue performing Kabir. And he was the creative lead for both online and mainline division, working on number of brands: Mahindra, Bisleri, Standard Chartered, UTV, National Geographic, and many other brands such as this. A little bit more about Raman. There is a lot more, but I think I will let Raman only tell a little bit more about his band and also share his journey with us. So welcome.
Connecting headphones.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just thought headphones would be a lot better. So
Yes.
thank you.
My voice clear.
I can hear you a lot clearly over here. आपने तारीफ हेडफोन में सुनने में अच्छा लगता है ना?
दोबारा करो.
नहीं, but thank you so much, Sonia ji and ISIM India and the entire team, Drashti, Anita. You've been doing an amazing work by bringing a lot of people, very inspirational people, definitely not doing conventional stuff. So we have people from, you have a triathlete, you had boxers, and you had very, very inspiring people in the live sessions over here. And it's a privilege and an honor for me to be here and sharing whatever little I have learned through music and from the School of Life. So thanks.
Great. It's a pleasure to have you here, Raman. It's really, really our pleasure to have you, and you are the only musician that we have. So great. We're really,
अच्छा, तो
really
कोई
happy.
compare नहीं करेगा.
Yes. All right. So, Raman, tell us a little bit about, like, obviously a lot of audience who's here, they know you already. I've been getting comments from a lot of people that, oh my God, Raman is coming over. So, they already know you, but just tell us a little bit more about your journey and maybe a little bit about, how you switched from advertising, consumer behavior to music, about your band. So just take us through.
Okay, so welcome to the Life and Times of Raman Iyer. ऐसा कुछ, so like my journey with music actually started when I was in boarding school. Earlier, I was sent away to a boarding school in class 8. So उसके पहले घर पे अलग-अलग type के South India. I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and later moved to Bangalore. So there was a lot
Right.
of Carnatic music influences definitely there, and
Right.
so I didn't learn anything formally. And then when I went to the boarding school, Ramakrishna Vidyasalamai, so that is where I came across the mandolin, and I started learning the Western style of playing. But वहाँ पे I never got an opportunity in the school to actually express the Western style, क्योंकि all the concerts that used to happen in the school were Indian
Right.
music concerts.
Right.
So Western आप
Right.
theory सीख रहे हो, you are playing it, but then you're not able to take it
Yes.
live. तो भजन्स होते थे वहाँ पे. So
Correct.
at that time the bhajans did not include a mandolin. So harmonium, tabla में bhajans होते थे every day, morning and evening. So I used to like the tunes. That those times when you are 12, 13, you do not really connect to the lyrics of bhajans or Sufi music for that matter.
Right.
you've not seen life much, right? School of life में बहुत नए हो तो आपको समझ नहीं आता है, पर आप वो धुन के
True.
साथ कनेक्ट हो जाता है. There is some kind of that melody that has something to you. So I was
Right.
sitting in my room, in my dormitory, and I was emulating the melodies on the mandolin. से सुन के
Right.
तो वो जो monk है, जो स्वामी जी है, who conducts the bhajans. So he saw me playing it on the mandolin. Say, you're playing bhajan on the mandolin. Aren't you learning the Western style? Sorry, so I'm learning, but I like this melody. So I was just trying it. So he said, why don't you join the
Right.
bhajan group? तो मैं भजन में
Wow.
ऐसे बैठ गया तो मुझे लगा कि स्वामी जी वो एक भजन जो मैं बजा रहा था तो वो ही गाएंगे तो मुझे तो आता है वो बजा लेता हूँ. But he started singing something else and I'm like, what, I don't know this. Then he just looked at me and said, now you take a solo. I'm like, what is a solo? I don't know the melody. I don't know which rag it is. Nothing.
Wow.
Then I tried to instinctively, I had, because you are right there. It is a stage and there are like 500 boys listening to you and there is a mic and you're sitting there and the Swamiji just pushed me into the waters directly. So I tried
Correct.
to apply something, okay, तो ये note से सही लग रहा है, ये गलत लग रहा है, ये दोनों का combination अच्छा लग रहा है. So directly I
Right.
started Indian music on stage without
Okay.
having learned anything about
On the
Indian
job.
music. I started
Right.
directly, and they were bhajans, though they were set in Hindustani or Carnatic ragas. They weren't very classically composition. Bhajans and Sufi music are meant for people to sing along. तो मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा वो सीखने लग गया and then I learned further from the same Swamiji, Swami Satvastananda करके थे. तो उन्होंने बोला
Right.
कि चलो तो अच्छा बजा रहा है, so why don't you try it in the Indian style. So उन्होंने सिखाया कि ये राग मोहनम या भूपाली है, इसमें ये मालकोन से, ये भजन ये राग में है, आप ये राग सीख लो, आप 4 भजन बजा सकते हो. तो उन्होंने वो तो उनके साथ I learned the harmonium. So that
Right.
is how Indian music happened. तो उसके बाद लाइफ में म्यूजिक यू फॉरगेट अबाउट इट, राइट? कॉलेज जैसे आ जाते हैं, देन आई केम टू बॉम्बे, स्टडीड मास मीडिया. सो फर्स्ट 2 years वाज ऑल म्यूजिक. मल्हार पार्टिसिपेट करना है, वो कंपटीशन, ये कंपटीशन. So and then once you start coming to the final year, then you start taking life seriously. Then
Yes.
I got a job. I worked in advertising for the longest time, from 2007 to 2000. Actually started working from 2004. So for
Okay.
a long time.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद music happened again. I mean, music never left me. It was always there. The mandolin has been my only constant for my life. So, but I never wanted to be a professional musician. I just was happy to be in my own zone. In fact, even my best friends did not know. My colleagues didn't know I play the music. The mandolin. I didn't want to tell people. ये मैं अपने
Right.
लिए जब अकेले मैं घर पे आता हूँ, I just wanted it to be a very secret kind of an affair just between me and the mandolin. I never
Because
told
your
people
thing.
that I play.
Yeah.
But then in 2013, I happened to come across Neeraj, my band singer, in a video where he was singing Kabir. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार इसमें मैंडोलिन बैठ सकता है, and I was looking for a weekend project because by then I had done all the hard work necessary in advertising, so I had a solid team. तो वीकेंड्स
Right.
को स्टूडियो में जाना या उनका काम है, तो मैं बैठ के अपने मर्जी, अच्छा लगा तो अप्रूव कर देता, ऐसे मस्ती के लिए नो वर्क मोर.
Right.
So I used to, I didn't have to do the work, I just had to be a slave driver.
Correct.
So that gave me a lot of time on weekends. So I thought, let me just meet this boy. And because Kabir's connection has been always there, right? Because of studying in
Right.
Ramakrishna Mission. So Kabir and poetry and music. तो वैसे वैसे नीरज से मिला and then without we realizing we ended up becoming roommates, क्योंकि मैं उसके घर जाता था और रात को रुक ही जाता था, प्लान नहीं किया था, तो चल 2-3 घंटा जैम
Right.
करते फिर घर वापस आता हूँ, पर वो हुआ ही नहीं. 2-3 महीने में
Correct.
ऐसे उसके शर्ट पहन के ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ. So then before we realized Kabir had consumed us, so that is how music happened.
Wow, wow, that's a very inspirational journey. And one thing that music was always there since, a very young age with you and is there till today. So I think finally you pursued your passion and just went for it, and that's amazing. That was really, really nice. And just tell a little bit, Raman, a little bit about the band, because to our audiences that you said that kabhi chhuta hi nahi. So
Correct.
a lot of people who are here may or may not know what is the inspiration behind Kabir Cafe. So tell us a little bit about what Kabir Cafe is all about.
So Kabir Cafe is the only band that performs exclusively the verses of Kabir. Sant Kabir ke jo dohe, which used to be a part of our textbooks.
Right.
जो 7th 8th में आके 10th स्टैंडर्ड में भूल जाते थे, क्योंकि 10th में पोएट्री कौन पढ़ेगा, या मैथ साइंस पढ़ते, इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बन जाते. सो पोएट्री में कबीर, एंड नॉट जस्ट in forms of an academic, even घर पे कभी, especially in the north of India, कबीर की अमृतवाणी बहुत चलती थी. So कबीर as a name or as an idea, everybody is aware of.
Absolutely.
So we've all come across कबीर. कोई कबीर दास करके कहते, तो हर एक बॉक्स में आप कबीर को बिठा सकते. So we take his words, we take Kabir's verses, and we apply whatever music we know and we present it. So हमारे बैंड में नीरज आर्या is a singer and he also plays the rhythm guitar. He's from Delhi and he comes from a street music background. He's a folk singer. He is not trained, and he's directly got his energies from the people. So yes, so Neeraj is a folk singer, so he's got his energies directly from being amidst people. And Mukund Ramaswamy is a violinist, and he started learning the violin when he was 4 years old, and he gave his first Carnatic concert when he was 8 years old. So that is Neeraj and Mukund. And our bass guitarist is Brito Casey from Manipur. So Mukund has spent all his life in Bombay, though his roots are from Kerala. Brito is from Manipur. He plays the bass guitar and he also does the backing vocals. And he also produces our songs. He's the kind of the recording, the tech guy. मैं मुश्किल से चार्जर फोन पे लगा सकता हूँ. ब्रिटो को पता है कि माइक किधर लगना है, वो सब. So all the technology bit is handled by Brito, and he comes from Manipur, and his father is a rock star. His father used to have a band in the 70s in Manipur called the Secret Revealers. So his father himself has been in a band, and they used to sing CCR and Beatles, and those times pop, today what we call as classic rock. Then Viren Solanki, our drummer, is the youngest. We pulled him out of college when he was 17. So he comes from a Kabir Panthi family. His father, Charandas Solanki, Shri Charandas Solanki, is a Gujarati radio star, Gujarati radio singer. His uncle Vinod Solanki used to work with Nadeem Shravan and Lakshmikant Pyarelal in the composing department. So there is a lot of music in his house. He himself, Viren, learned from Ustad Zakir Hussain. His first lesson in tabla was with Ustad Zakir Hussain, and later from his younger brother, Ustad Fazal Qureshi. And we have a latest entrant now, Vikram Brahmankar, who's from Nagpur. So Marathi quota, Maharashtrian quota bhi pura ho gaya. So he's joined us on the percussion. So yes, you have all over the entire country coming together: Northeast, Uttarakhand and Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Everybody comes together, and this is what Kabir is. It is about breaking every possible boundary, and then we all come together as one, taking the poetry of Kabir. So that is Kabir Cafe, what we do. And so far we've done 963 concerts in 6 years.
Wow.
1000 हो जाता था अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता था तो, but let's see whenever. And we've traveled to about 14 countries. 2 songs of ours have come in mainstream films, Hindi medium and Badshah Ho. And none of these were planned. We just decided to stick together and explore Kabir. And अगर ये सब नहीं हुआ होता था ना, तो भी हम साथ रह के कबीर ही करते थे. तो वही कबीर कैफे. The journey itself is our destination.
Wonderful, so wonderful, and such amazing group of people. And you yourself was the best folk fusion artist 2016, right? By Radio City Freedom Awards, right?
City Freedom
So,
Awards.
right, and as you said that you have performed in a lot of concerts such as Weekender, NH7 Weekender, Mood Indigo, NCPA, Jaipur Lit Fest. Yeah, the list is on, and 14 countries, movies, that the 2 movies that you spoke about, and also on television you have been on the Teacher's Genuine Story, and which was featuring Rahul Bose, a lot of other shows as well. So tell me what made you take up leave your corporate career, because I know that it was going on and you had a little bit of time on your hand, but what was the inspiration behind for taking this up? Who has been your inspiration so far?
I think the inspiration is, first of all of us. Initially it was Neeraj, Mukund and I. We used to spend a lot of time together just exploring Kabir. So the inspiration actually came in the poetry of Kabir itself. Because before you set Kabir to music, you cannot at least we do not approach Kabir from a musical perspective alone. We approach Kabir from a lyrical perspective. So the meaning of the
Yes.
songs is very important. So we spent, so Neeraj spent a lot of time much before than all of us did in Madhya Pradesh, where our Guruji Padma Shri Prahlad Ji Tippaniya is there. So a lot of material from him trying to understand what the song means. And once
Wow.
you start understanding what the song means, and then you're going back to office, and we know advertising or sales or marketing, it is a necessary evil. It is a
Right.
necessary evil. I will put it upfront. We know in advertising, when we say you got to come up with a great campaign, which means you got to cover the flaws and package it. So when you know that, oh my God, what am I doing? You know, it's as simple as when you say that you use this face cream and then your pimples are going to go away in 7 days. We know that we are sitting in Photoshop and we are, the model should actually put it, and 7 days later we could shoot it, right? But that doesn't happen. We do
Yes.
color correction, we do everything and say before after करके हम ad बनाते. हाँ, अंदर से कुछ अजीब नहीं लगता है. मतलब ये क्या कह रहे हैं? जब वहां
Right.
पे जब हम सैटरडे संडे को कबीर की सच्चाई की बात कर रहे हैं, you know,
Right.
be honest about what you do. Right?
True.
It
True.
doesn't matter if this is who you are, but then we are going out there and we are selling a product saying that this face cream, 7 days, you're like there. But then we know that I've spent 3 months trying to get the color correction right.
Right. Right.
Digitally 3 months में उसका पिंपल नहीं निकल रहा है, तुम 7 दिन में ये क्रीम कैसे निकलेगा बताओ?
So true. So your conscience was somewhere,
So
not letting you.
definitely you were not. And the more you go into Kabir, the more you start studying Kabir, and the more you're getting back to office and you are saying that, यार ये ऐसा नहीं है. वो टाइप का, लेट्स मेक दिस इंटरनेशनल. भाई तुम्हारा फैक्ट्री चकाला में है. शटर स्टॉक से बेल्जियन मॉडल डाल के इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड नहीं बनेगा. तू चकाला में तुम्हारा फैक्ट्री है, दूसरा फैक्ट्री भिवंडी में. वो इंटरनेशनल लुक के लिए एक फ्रेंच ब्रांड नेम डाल के, ऊपर एक एक्सेंट डाल के, शटर स्टॉक से एक फॉरेन मॉडल का फोटो डाल के, क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
Right. Right.
मैं
Right.
इंडस्ट्री के खिलाफ नहीं हूँ. That is how it is. We all know, even consumers know it.
Yes,
But
of course.
for me, as a creative director, to approve these
Yes.
kind of work, who
Right.
cannot, just say, boys, let's just say this is a locally made product. Just
Right.
why are you feeling scared of saying that your factory is in Chakala? Why are you not accepting that identity?
Right.
No. Let's say that this, and we'll tie up with some company that has roots somewhere. We want to go premium. We want to reach out to the elite. ये सब क्यों है? चकाला में क्या गलती है?
I like the
भिवंडी में
accent
क्या
also
गलती है?
along
Just
with it.
accept it. You come
Right.
up with a good product and people will like it.
Absolutely.
So,
Yeah.
so earlier I never had a problem with it, but the more I started getting slightly deeper into Kabir,
Right.
मुझे वो अंदर से लग नहीं रहा था कि यार मैं नहीं हो पाएगा. ये दोनों, या फिर कबीर छोड़ना पड़ेगा, पूरा का पूरा इसमें घुसूं, या इसको छोड़ के 100% कबीर को ना सिर्फ गाया जाए पर जिया जाए. जितना ऑनेस्टली, जितना ट्रूथ के साथ रहे वो. So
Right.
that is why the switch happened.
Wow. And what you just
And
said
it happened
is
to
what
all of us,
exactly-
not just me. The same thing happened to Mukund as well. He was working in sales, तो उसका दूसरा level का था. So
Right.
Neeraj was the one who was just working as an editor, but he also. So all
Correct.
of us felt that, going back to work after finishing the jam wasn't in sync with our conscience at all.
True. And look at means what you're doing. You exactly did what you're just saying, that taking what it is and just presenting it in what it is. And look at it, people abroad, people all over the world are loving Kabir now, because कबीर को अभी आप उसको मॉडिफाई करके उसको आप एकदम फैंसी प्रेजेंट करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली वो भी नहीं चलेगा. तो यू हैव टू
Correct.
स्टिक what it is and be true to yourself. So I think that's what you exactly did finally. I also heard and maybe was reading a little bit about you, Raman, that you were also aspiring to become a filmmaker. So
Oh, yeah.
what was that about?
Oh नहीं, तो वो एक छोटा सा सपना था, and very quickly it rightly so it disappeared because I was very interested in cinema, in the idea of cinema. So I later on I wrote also for films and for television. But
Okay.
before that, when I was studying media, I enjoyed the technical route of film. So I worked as an editor. Back
Right.
in the day, editing was not so easy. हम लोग टेलीसिने करके, रिवर्स टेलीसिने करके, स्पूल में डाल के, उसके बाद
Correct.
एडिट करके एक मशीन, फिर एफसीपी, नया एफसीपी के पहले के टाइम का एडिटिंग कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे.
Ah,
So I was
okay.
really enjoying the process. Then I ended up working in a few films as an assistant, असिस्टेंट का असिस्टेंट, ऐसा जॉनी और चार्ली करके बुलाते थे सेट में, मतलब
Right.
जिसका नाम कुछ
Right.
भी हो, तेरा काम है चाय लाना, तेरा काम है प्रिंट आउट लेके आना तेरे पैसे से। उस
Right.
टाइम पे कलर प्रिंट आउट तो मैं, so that actually put me off when I was working as a Johnny or a Charlie in the set. The art
Right.
director would say, just get me references of these printout. अरे मैडम, पर एक एक प्रिंट आउट 15 रुपए का है, मेरे पास
Right.
पैसे नहीं है। तो
Wow.
मैं 75 रुपीज और मेरे को ऑटो पे जाना है, मतलब प्रोड्यूसर के ऑफिस में जाके तुम रिसीट सबमिट करो। प्रोड्यूसर के ऑफिस वर्ली में, हम शूट कर रहे हैं फिल्म सिटी में, मेरे को जाना है मीरा रोड।
Oh
क्या
God.
ये I cannot work like this. And why do you want references? Again, I had a problem with the way the industry was functioning at that time.
Right.
And this is simply my views. Maybe
Obviously.
this is how it works. Maybe some people enjoy the way it works, but I did not. Example देता हूँ कि एक गन्ने का जूस का सेट बनाना है। गन्ने का जूस का stand. It's an ad film. There is a
Right.
shot of a sugarcane stall. So
Correct.
what this art director told me was that you go all around Bombay and give me references of how sugarcane stalls look. मैं बोला, ये तो क्या है? And then the entire team, they told me that you take this camera, go all around Bombay and give 50 photographs.
Yeah.
I was thinking, what sense does it make? So, okay, I got all these photographs. And then they said,
Right.
ऐसा क्या? You get a printout. So, I've spent my money, I've traveled Film City से वर्ली गया, चर्च गेट गया, सब जगह से मैं शूट किया। उसके बाद साइबर कैफे, उस टाइम के बात है, अभी की
Right.
टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं था कि आप, अभी आप शायद इजी हो गए, आप फोटो से लेके व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो। फिर
Right.
गया 15-20 रुपए का जाके पूरा अपना प्रिंट आउट लेके, तो उससे अच्छा मैं सोचा, व्हाई डू वी डू दिस? व्हाई कांट यू जस्ट गो गोरेगांव में गन्ने का वाला जूस रहेगा, उसको जाके बोलो कि भाई तू दिन में तेरा धंधा कितना होता है? तो बोला मेरा दिन का 1000 रुपए का धंधा होता है, तो 2000 ले, तेरा ठेला आके सेट में लगा देना।
Yeah.
What can be more authentic than an actual गन्ने का जूस guy who's right? I was fired for it. I was fired in the sense that, to me, how can you think like this? You should be creative. You should be able to design a गन्ने का जूस। तो 50 फोटो देके कॉपी करना क्रिएटिविटी है क्या? तो 50 फोटो क्यों बुला रहे हो मेरे से?
Wow.
आप इतने
Yes.
क्रिएटिव हो तो अपने मन से गन्ने का जूस पैदा करो ना।
Right.
Practically speaking, and then you are overcharging, because what is it? Ultimately, it's a game of invoicing. Oh, I used this material. We made these bamboos out of this. क्यों भाई? बाहर जाओ, 2000 रुपए दो बंदे को, उसका जो जितना सेल्स होता है उसका डबल पैसा दो, वो ठेला आके लगाएगा, सेट में सब जूस भी पी लेंगे, तुम्हारा शॉट भी आ जाएगा। So I gave this suggestion and I was branded as not fit to be in the world of film. I said, I am glad. I am very glad. I do not want to be the Johnny and the Charlie and doing things that do not make sense. So then I became a writer.
Right.
This is why I became a creative director in advertising, and then I started calling the shots.
Right.
भाई,
Wonderful.
director would have to listen to me. Director
True.
कोई भी हो, मैं बोलूंगा तो वैसा। So I wanted that control because I felt that I had more common sense than people running the business. तो मैं बोला, मुझे सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं उनको सिखाता हूँ करके एक अलग tangent पकड़ लिया था बस।
So one thing that I'm understanding, Raman, when listening to your story is that you always had this, problem-solving kind of an attitude. मतलब you knew that things can be resolved in better manner. You're more connected to the ground level. मतलब आपको exactly पता है कि ground level पे क्या होता है और उसको कैसे ऊपर लेके आना है. That's what you have been doing throughout. So like simple things like वही Fair and Lovely's ad और ये गन्ने का जूस का stall and everything. You've been so connected on the ground with reality that you're never got disconnected with it, and that's what you, I think, are still sustaining and is still going on for you, right?
I think that is what you have cracked in this called the school of life. I do not know whether it is a good thing or a bad thing, because one thing is I have never grown up in a family. Okay, so I come from a broken family. My parents separated at a very early age, and I have been paying my own fees since class 5 by giving as many scholarship exams as possible. I've been worked in restaurants. I've thrown newspapers. I've done so many things. So right from class 5 till what I am today, nobody can take credit for it. Right?
That's true.
So
Yeah.
there was that ability to actually make decisions and be accountable for it, which
Right.
becomes a lot more easier if you if somebody else has done something for you and you feel that no, I am accountable to that, then you start looking at life differently. But when you know that इसमें जो भी होगा रिस्क मेरा है,
Right, right.
क्या जाता है? When you have nothing to lose, when you have nothing to lose and nobody to answer, then your perspective becomes a lot clearer, because you're not thinking of वो क्या सोचेंगे, ये क्या सोचेंगे. नहीं मुझे ये क्या करना है, अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो मेरा क्या जाता है. I'm
Right.
anyway used to sleeping on the streets. I will go and sleep back on the streets. I don't have EMIs to pay. I don't have anybody, I don't have sisters to get married off. मुझे pressure नहीं है.
So
So it
true.
is
Yeah.
always easy for an individual who has no pressure or no liabilities. It is not always possible for others. Imagine if I had a different situation where
Yeah.
if I do not listen to that art director's bullshit, I have to take because that is my payment and I have to go back because 5 people are at home waiting. So I have to swallow my ego. I have to swallow my pride. But
So
because I was independent, it
right.
doesn't matter. One person can stay hungry.
Right.
But if
Right.
because of that one person, 5 people are staying hungry, then your perspective. So I had that advantage of having zero liabilities. I
Right.
could sleep anywhere. I stayed in PGs with 30 people, all that. मेरे को कोई problem नहीं है.
Awesome, awesome. So inspiring, Raman. And I would just like to add a little bit over here. There must be a lot of people who would be coming from your background and, having, no liability. But still, there is always a choice, and people still choose the other side of it. Where you said, "Na, कि मुझे कुछ नहीं था, तो I just walked away." People still choose the other side, that they still want to, swallow their ego and just want to stay there. And I would say that you chose the other side, that you wanted to just walk away and just do what you felt was right. So don't take that away. I think you always had that choice to, decide that how you want to behave in a certain situation and what path you want to take. So that was really inspiring, really, really inspiring. And very well said. If you have nothing to lose, you can your possibilities just become limitless, isn't it? Right. So tell me now that yeah, go ahead. You were saying something.
No, I was just hearing. थोड़ा lag हुआ था. हाँ.
Now that we are talking about challenges, Raman, tell me a little bit about what challenges you faced, because yes, हमने सब में textbook में कबीर के दोहे पढ़े हैं. Procrastination का तो सबको ही रटा हुआ है, कबीर का दोहा. That's the household doha for everyone. But nobody ever thought of, that you can literally have a band, and it is something that is not heard of. So I'm pretty sure initially things would have not been like now. You are presenting in 14 countries and have so many, almost touching 1,000 concerts, but things would not have been this great and nice, right? Means there would have been challenges. So take us through some challenges that you faced.
So, first of all, our inspiration is Indian Ocean for this band. As much as we love bands from across the world, when you see movies of Bob Marley, there's a film called Marley, when you see the Queen movie, Freddie Mercury's recently, or anybody,
Yes.
but when you see an Indian Ocean's movie, it's called Leaving Home, that brings realities closer to an Indian scenario. How difficult it is, first of all, for an Indian parent to allow their children to, because India mein parents always own their children. You may be 40, but you still have to answer to your parents. So anyway, so we saw Leaving Home, and that really moved us to say that if they can do it, we can. So Indian Ocean, today they are legends, absolute legends, brilliant musicians. But for 5 years when they started, they did only 3 shows, and one show paid their taxi fare. But they stuck together, and they
Right.
still believed in what they did. Ultimately, Kandisa and Black Friday and all that happened. But before that, they started in 88.
Right.
And only in 97, 98, Indian Ocean. So those 7-8 years of, so what we decided to get inspired is not from people's success. Are
Right.
we willing to go through the struggle which people have gone through? It's always easy to get inspired from success stories.
That's
मुझे
true.
भी स्टेज में चढ़ना है, पर वो लोग 5 साल में भूखे रहते. अमित किलम used to hitchhike his way every day from the studio. पैसे नहीं होते थे उनके पास, उनका ड्रमर. He used to literally take lift from lorries and autos and go home every day for 5 years. Can we do that? Are we
Wow.
ready to? So we had already made this choice because we had watched Leaving Home some 7-8 times. So we knew that what we are getting into. ऐसा नहीं कि
Right.
चल पहले पता था कि गरीबी आएगी. और
Right.
ऐसे आई कि मैं वर्ली में रहता था, छोड़ के नीरज मेरा सिंगर, हम लोग खारडंडा में साथ में रहने लग गए. हमारे घर पे पानी नहीं आता था, तो हम कुएं में नहाने चले जाते थे डांडा में. After being a creative director, and Neeraj is a filmmaker from Madison, Wisconsin. तो
Wow.
उसने मैडिसन विस्कॉन्सिन में फिल्म मेकिंग पढ़ के वो भी पैसा कमा रहा था, मैं एडवर्टाइजिंग में क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर था। ये सब
Wow.
छोड़ के वापस खारडंडा में आके, पानी नहीं था तो हम बाल्टी लेके कुएं में जाते थे, जब आंटी लोग सब चले जाते थे तब चुप चुप के, और नहाते वक्त वी यूज्ड टू गेट फ्रॉग्स इन द बकेट्स तो उसको
Oh my
मेंढक को
God.
साइड में डाल के। तो ये हमें पहले से पता था कि एक तो आप नीचे से स्टार्ट करते हो, फिर
Right.
एक लेवल तक पहुंच जाते हो, एडवर्टाइजिंग में आप ज्वाइन करते हो एज अ जूनियर कॉपीराइटर, देन यू वर्क योर वे अप एंड रीच द हाईएस्ट पॉसिबल लेवल इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द क्रिएटिव स्पेस, देन यू लीव ऑल दैट once again and then you come back to this kind of a life. So we knew what we were getting on and it stayed for a long time actually. So we did not have money to even buy kirana. तो हमारा किराना का दुकान था नीचे खारडंडा, so he was a fan of Kabir, he was from UP. तो उसकी
Okay.
वजह से वो उसके दुकान में जो भी था, उसके दुकान में जो भी था, टूथपेस्ट, टूथब्रश, शैम्पू, दाल, चावल, उसके
Right.
राशन से हम लोग काफी महीने कटे। एंड इवन आफ्टर वी गॉट वीकेंडर एंड ड्यूरिस्ट,
Right.
life was never, it was always tough. So Brito, when our bassist joined, that was a point when we had almost given up. हमने
Right.
सोचा कि यार अब भी नहीं हो पाएगा, because we didn't have money to get out of our house and meet each other. एक
Right.
टाइप का लॉकडाउन हो गया था, लिटरली 5 रुपए भी नहीं था हमारे पास,
Right.
5 रुपए भी नहीं था। इनफैक्ट हमारा एक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन इन द बैंड इज नॉट अ प्लेइंग मेंबर, इज आवर साउंड इंजीनियर रजत दावड़ा। तो रजत दावड़ा की जो उन्होंने जो टाइप की सपोर्ट दी थी कि हम लोग नीरज में और रजत एक बार घर पे बैठे थे खारडंडा में, 1 रुपया नहीं है। व्हेन आई से 1 रुपया नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अ मेटाफर, लिटरली 1 रुपी का कॉइन नहीं था तीनों के बीच में। और हम
My
लोग एंड वी वर म्यूजिंग अबाउट लाइफ, क्या कर लिया यार हम लोग। 3 महीने पहले मैं एडवर्टाइजिंग में क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर था, कहाँ कहाँ बड़े बड़े लोग के साथ बैठा था, जॉन इब्राहिम के साथ शूट करके आया था, इसके साथ वो करके आया था, ये करके आया था, बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ घूमता था, मैरियट में मीटिंग होती थी। अब इधर बैठा कुछ नहीं है नीरज, तो हम लोग सोच रहे कि छोड़ देते यार जितना भी है अभी हम जॉब। तो रजत उधर बैठा था, अचानक ही गॉड अप एंड ही सेड मैं आता हूँ। भाई किधर जा रहे हो? वेलकम। से ठीक है, किसी को मिलने जाता होगा। He comes back in about half an hour and he gets 4 packets of burji. हम लोग बोला कहाँ से आया, तेरे पास भी पैसे नहीं थे? पूछो क्या है यार, खा लो। And we were so hungry. We were so
Yeah.
hungry. We are not eaten. We not eaten since the whole 2 days हो गया था।
Oh
तो
my God.
हम उससे पूछे भी नहीं कि तुम्हें बुर्जी कहाँ से आया। आप 2 दिन जब भूखे रह के देखो, खाना सामने आता है तो आप पूछेंगे नहीं कि कहाँ से आया। तो हमने
True.
खा लिए और सो गए। अगला दिन हमें पता चलता है कि रजत का फोन नहीं मिल रहा। So Rajat has gone and pawned his cell phone to the Burji guy. उसने
Oh my.
अपना फोन बुर्जी वाले को देके, तो सर नीरज आर्या इज राइट हियर इन द कमेंट्स एंड दैट इज ही सेज द राइट थिंग, दैट संत कबीर का पावर है। तो ऐसा एक इंसिडेंट जब बाहर आता है ना, तो अपने आप में एक, तो कबीर या भगवान आप कोई भी कहो कि कहीं ऊपर नहीं बैठा है,
Right.
हमारे अंदर ही बैठा है। एनीबॉडी हु कम्स टू समबडी व्हेन दे आर इन देयर नीड इज
Yes.
गॉड।
That's
कोई
true.
भी फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ हो,
Right.
अगर एक एक्सट्रे में, इफ देयर इज अ डॉग हंग्री एंड यू फीड दैट डॉग समथिंग, एट द मोमेंट यू बिकम गॉड।
Right.
If somebody is asking for blood and you are able to do something, you become God. We have to be gods to each other, just the way we are demons to each other. इंसान का
Right.
दुश्मन इंसान ही है, तो इंसान का भगवान भी इंसान ही है,
That's true.
कोई
So-
ऊपर नहीं बैठा है कुछ। सो दिस
So-
ऐसा हजारों इंसिडेंट्स है। रजत का, ब्रिटो ने भी ऐसे हेल्प किया, और बेसिस so he had just come into the band and we told him big things, because when he joined, weekender आ गया था हमारे पास, ड्यूरिस्ट आ गया था, तो वो, but then we had no money to meet. So then finally when we told him, he called all of us to his place and he said take an auto and come. He paid the auto, he had cooked something for us, and he gave each of us 1,000 rupees from his savings and said, I am from Manipur, I do not know Kabir as much as you guys know, but all I learned from 2 concerts with you on stage is that togetherness is Kabir. At the
Wow.
moment I have, so you take this money, let us not meet because there is no money. So ऐसा इंसिडेंट से हमारा फेथ दोबारा चलने लग गया।
Wow.
अकेले
Wow.
का काम नहीं है, it is not one person's thing.
Right, right. No, so such beautiful stories, and I'm sure there were a lot of people who have, you know, these Kirana wala and all of these people
Shiva,
have just.
they are still in touch, very much in touch. नीरज फोन पे बात करते रहता है,
अरे
पुलिस
वाह।
वाले, पुलिस
That's
वाले सबने मदद किया हमें. बहुत बहुत कहानी है उनसे.
That's so sweet. That's really, really sweet. Tell me now, then you are now, Kabir Cafe is well known India, abroad, everywhere. Now, how does it feel that, the journey that you have gone through, the struggle that you have gone through, how does it feel like?
It doesn't look at a struggle. The moment you look at your own choices from a perspective of struggle, then there is something wrong. We had consciously chosen this. We got inspired from leaving home of Indian Ocean, not because they became something. Are
Right.
we willing to do just 3 concerts for 5 years? Are we willing to be broke? What is wrong in being broke? What is wrong in being hungry? So when the band itself started with an embracing fakiri, we decided भाई ये सब छोड़ देते, अब से ऑटो टैक्सी फ्लाइट में घूमना, 5 स्टार होटल में खाना या हर फ्राइडे चले जाना कहीं, 8-8 10 हज़ार की बिल होती है, अभी भी होती है, जब ऑफिस शुरू होती है पता चलता है हर फ्राइडे, वो सब बंद करके हिसाब रखना कि कांदा कितना है, टोमेटो कितना है, भैया आज महंगा क्यों है, साथ में धनिया फ्री में देना. हो सकता है क्या? Can we leave behind our air conditioned life and come into a place where there is water का issue भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. We consciously decided this because we wanted to do what we wanted to do.
Right.
तो इसको अगर हम स्ट्रगल की तरह नहीं देखना चाहिए, एक तपस्या है.
Right.
You know, it's like going to a gym. आप जिम में जाके बोलते हो कि हाथ दुख रहा है, पैर दुख रहा है, नहीं होता है ना. आपको पता है पहले से कि ये दुखने वाला है भाई. रिजल्ट आपको अगर रिजल्ट नहीं भी दिखा तो भी आपका एफर्ट के साथ प्यार होना चाहिए.
So well.
Vito puts it very beautifully. Our bassist, he says that we are not in this band to get anywhere. Our journey is the destination. Whether we have traveled 14 countries or not, whether we have achieved this or not, we still will be doing this. The results are not defining who we are or what we are. It is who we are. The results are just side effects. That's it.
So well put, Raman. And I just love the fact that, a lot of people, the main problem of the word, or people's problem is usually with the word struggle, and they say, "Arey, maine itna struggle kiya, ye kiya." But that's because that they are not looking at it, or maybe they have not chosen, or they are not willingly there. Sometimes they jump into something and then they realize that, oh, this was not for me, and then they call it struggle. But if you really commit to your passion and you really, know that this is what I want, then everything else just become part of the journey. So well put, actually. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm reading audience's comments and they are just like, they also
nice
agree
people.
with me that very well put, and it's really nice to read everyone's comments. Sab milta hai. Good job, Raman.
Neeraj is just in the next room actually. So we are still, so we were roommates in Kharganda, and thanks to Kabir, now we are flatmates. अभी हम एक ही घर में रहते हैं लेकिन दोनों को अलग अलग रूम है. तो पहले उस पूरा घर का जो भाड़ा था, आज उसका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल घर का उतना आता है. तो कबीर ने इतना दिया है, और क्या चाहिए? If you are able to stay content, if you are able to take care of yourself, then what more do you need?
And as your bandmate said that it is about togetherness, so I think you are still, enjoying that togetherness, and that's really great.
Right.
Tell me one aha moment, Raman, like that moment that just, I know that there would be multiple aha moments, but then that one moment that just really stood out for you, or maybe for all of you. What was that moment?
Yeah. For all of us, definitely. See, all of us have these moments many times. In Kolkata, I would like to say NH7 Weekender. This is something which all of us in the band agree, because we've been asked this multiple times and we all simultaneously say this because none of us expected this. So we were playing in Kolkata a public concert for the first time. उसके पहले हमने private concerts किए थे organizations के लिए, NGOs के लिए. We have not performed in a club or a young audience के लिए नहीं किए थे. तो Weekender था, and they gave us an afternoon slot. दोपहर को 4 बजे, तो कोई आता ही नहीं है. तो हम बोले कि चलो जाते ही Weekender का ठप्पा लग जाएगा, कोई सुने या ना सुने हम जाके बजा लेंगे. Nobody knows us in Kolkata. So we went on stage. It was empty. People were there, but nobody was near the stage. They were all scattered, getting themselves some drink or eating and posing and selfie and hashtags and all that. So our sound engineer, we could see him. We could see our sound engineer, pura khali. पूरा खाली।
Right.
तो हमने बोला चलो अपने पास है 40 मिनट्स है, मस्त प्रैक्टिस करते स्टेज में और
Right.
देखते। सो वी स्टार्टेड, द मोमेंट वी स्टार्टेड आवर फर्स्ट सॉन्ग, it was like a war field, like a battlefield. Hey, Kabir Cafe started, Kabir Cafe started, and you could see people just gathering across, idhar idhar se because we were opening the stage, and
Right.
we could hear Kabir Cafe all over from the stage. And
Wow.
before the first verse, we finished the chorus, first verse, and second chorus ke pehle, we could not see our sound engineer.
Wow.
It was an ocean of people from suddenly इधर उधर से कबीर कैफे स्टार्टेड, कबीर कैफे स्टार्टेड, कोई फोन पे बोल रहा है अरे 4 बज गया स्टार्ट हो गया पूरा के देन दैट इट वाज अ जैम पैक्ड हाउस। दैट इज व्हेन वी रियलाइज्ड द पावर ऑफ डिजिटल मीडिया। उसके
Yeah.
पहले हमें प्रैक्टिकली नहीं पता था, ड्यूरिस्ट आ गया था, सो द सॉन्ग व्हिच वी कोलैबोरेटेड विद विशाल ददलानी, so
Right.
that ended up becoming very popular for Duris. So we did not realize how popular when in a city where you've not performed before, people
Right.
who do not know you start knowing you and start respecting you. तो पहला झटका हमें वो लगा कि भाई ये डिजिटल मीडिया का इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक को अच्छा हुआ।
Right.
You know, for independent music, yes, the digital media has made a lot of difference. People are connecting to. So that site is still fresh in all our minds. Empty stage, and suddenly when you just start playing and the PA comes on and it just gets packed for a city we do not know, that is still
Correct.
gives us goosebumps.
Wow, wow. I can visualize it. And when you were talking about it, I was getting goosebumps. So I can imagine it would have been just amazing. I can see you rubbing your hand like, okay, calm down.
नहीं सीरियसली अभी नहीं, क्योंकि स्टेज देख के 3 महीने हो गए ना।
Ah,
स्टेज और ऐसा ऑडियंस का इधर का हार्ट्स और अपलॉज से अभी आदत हो रही है। पहले
right.
ऑडियंस की अपलॉज नहीं आती तो अजीब सा लगता है।
So talking about that, Raman, that 3 महीना हो गया and stage नहीं, but you are doing something in this lockdown. You are doing on Instagram. In fact, I tuned in last night, midnight.
No.
So tell us a little bit about what you're doing on Instagram every midnight, and that was really amazing. So I was there, and it is great initiative. So tell our audience about it.
So that is just an extension of me because I've spent a lot of my time alone from childhood. So most of my time used to be spent in libraries. क्योंकि मैं boarding school में था तो vacation में मेरे पास जाने के लिए कहीं नहीं था. So I used to spend the vacations also in the boarding school. So I spent a lot of time amidst books and amidst I don't party much. I don't go out much. I travel more from the pages of a book. I love traveling, but I prefer to sitting. When I travel somewhere, I just travel, sit in a cafe, and then travel further by reading
Wow.
pages from a book. तो जब ये lockdown सब situation start हुआ, मुझे लगा कि let me just start something. And मुझे video पसंद नहीं है,
Right.
क्योंकि उसमें आप मैं खुद distract हो जाता हूँ कि भाई कैसे दिख रहा हूँ, light ठीक है क्या, frame ठीक है क्या. So I just thought
Right.
let's use the Instagram as a radio. Let's try
Yeah.
making a highly visual medium like Instagram into a radio format where I just tell stories and I play the music. And before even I realized, today is the 49th episode. Tomorrow is the 50th episode of the Midnight Musings and the Mandolin. So I don't remember the last time I did something consistently for 50 days. So I've been
Wow.
practicing the mandolin for 50 days. I've been reading for 50 days. I've been making notes, going back to my old notes, reflecting, contemplating. 50 days like a sadhana this has become. So I have to thank people who kept me going. मैं तो सोचा एक हफ्ते में लोग बोर हो जाएंगे, फिर कोई नहीं सुनेगा, निकल देता हूँ. लेकिन the kind of response that keeps coming in from all over the world. So this is just an extension of stories and perspectives and music that I know. And tomorrow is the 50th episode. So that is about midnight musings and mandolin. रात को 12 बजे Instagram में no video, just put it, and just I'll tell some stories and I'll play the mandolin. That's it.
Great, great. And it is really amazing. Means somebody just, I think Roshni just said that it is my go-to place on Instagram in the midnight. So I think you also have a lot more. And I attended it for the first time last night, and it was great. And I'm sure a lot more people will actually are going to join you and hear you in the midnight. It is really, really amazing. And your storytelling is so beautiful, Raman. So I want you to at least give me and maybe audience also little tips on how to storytell that beautifully.
अयो, वो सीखने के लिए तो ये वीडियो बंद करके कर रहा हूँ ताकि मेरा जो नर्वसनेस किसी को दिखेगा ना. नहीं, actually it is just about being I am as natural as possible, and I try to have conversation and not narration. So, मेरे को जो what works for me may not work for others. There are so many, techniques which work for each one's individuality. So I do not shy away from my weakness. I'm a South Indian. It comes out in my accent. So what? I don't desperately try and to correct my accent. हाँ भाई मैं ऐसे ही बात करेगा. मैं मद्रासी है क्या करेगा? I don't try to run away from who I am. All my flaws. So sometimes when I tell stories from across the world, I don't bother trying to get the pronunciations right. भाई मेरे
Right.
को मैं ऐसे पढ़ूंगा. If you wanted the word to be pronounced like that, then you bloody write it like that. Why are
Yeah.
you writing something and making it pronounced like that? What I see, I am going to read. I will accept it. I will accept it. I will not make an effort to say this is to be pronounced that way. Then write it that way. No.
Right.
Why are you
Right.
being an imperfect language? What you want to be read it, write it like that. It is as simple. So I do not make additional effort to learn things that is not comfortable for me, but I just put myself out there. If I say this is supposed to be pronounced like this, but I am trying and it is not coming, so I will pronounce it this way, but this is not the correct pronunciation. Naturally, मैं कोशिश किया 2-3 बार सीखना नहीं हुआ, so I just put myself out there saying भाई इतना ही है.
Right.
So
Right.
that is what I am.
That's awesome. And I think there's one thing that is coming out since the beginning, जब हमने बात करना start किया और तब से अभी तक, authenticity is something that you are really, you follow and you also ensure that it comes out in everything that you do. So just being real, being authentic is really important for you. That's what I'm just
And no need
gauging
to be
out.
ashamed of one's authenticity. We shouldn't be ashamed of who we are. We are
Absolutely.
all human beings and we all have some pride from where we come from. And we see this online where people make fun because somebody's English is not correct. That is
Right.
classism.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
because you have had the privilege of learning something better. Because किसी ने तुमको फीस भर के बड़ा स्कूल में डाला जिस उसके पास नहीं है, आप उसके अंग्रेजी का मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, ये कहाँ से justification?
That's true.
So we try to make fun of people for who they are. I know this is who I am, and I'm very proud of who I am, and this is what I'm going to do. So
Right. Great. Raman, I would love to chat with you, but I'm sure Instagram is going to now in next five
yes,
minutes.
we still have about 5 minutes. Yes,
5 minutes,
five.
yes. So,
Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah.
any
No, 10 minutes. No,
last?
5 10 minutes. कितने
I think
मैं
5
देख रहा
minutes.
था. हाँ.
Yeah. So let's not just wait till the end and
Yeah.
auto end this thing.
5 minutes.
So.
हाँ, correct. हाँ.
Yeah. So just before we, go, if you want to just give a quick, one message from Sant Kabir to all our audience before you go.
Bhai, see, Kabir's life itself has been a message more than poetry and everything else. So Kabir believed in humanity and all life forms being the same. तो उसका एक प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन करने का चांस हम सबके पास है. So this lockdown has not been easy for us. For all of us are going through something or the other. So some of them, but some of us are privileged to enjoy the lockdown. जैसे मैं आराम से घर पे बैठ के मैं रात को मिडनाइट पॉडकास्ट कर सकता हूँ, आपके साथ आराम से फ्लैशबैक में जिंदगी की कहानी बता सकता हूँ, जाके खाना बना सकता हूँ, कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, योगा कर सकता हूँ, वर्कआउट कर सकता हूँ. But there are so many people who do not have this privilege. We should understand that if we are able to take care of ourselves in this lockdown, it is a privilege. It is something which not everybody has. So there is a lot of money that we have lost as well. At the same time, there's a lot of money we have saved as well. In the last
Yeah.
2-3 months, I have not taken an Uber. I have not gone out and eaten. I have not shopped. I have not done anything. तो मैंने जितना भी पैसा मैंने बचाया, अगर उसका मैं 5% भी किसी को डोनेट किया जो काम कर रहे हैं, and this doesn't have to be any specific organization, but then in each of our own friend circles, there are at least 3 people in each and everybody's Instagram list, Facebook list, Twitter. People are saying that I'm doing this for migrant workers. I'm doing this for domestic helps. I'm doing this for stray animals. So reach out to them. You don't have to break out your FD and sell your ancestral property and do it. And do not think of this as charity. It is simply that we have been fortunate to be on the good side of privilege.
Right.
So don't
Right.
even have to take extra money and put just the money. Just do a simple math. Time to है एक Excel sheet खोलो. 3 महीने
Right.
में मैं उबर से कितना पैसा बचाया, पेट्रोल का कितना पैसा बचाया, पिज्जा का कितना पैसा बचाया, क्लबिंग का कितना पैसा बचाया, उसका 5% भी आप अगर दोगे ना, better है. You don't need to spend anything. Just from the money that we have saved because of this lockdown, can 700 rupees a month is what a grocery kit costs. A family of 4 can eat in 700 rupees. So,
Absolutely.
जितना हो सकता है, if we can use our privilege and to give the barest minimum possible by just doing this simple math of the money that we have saved, उसका
Right.
5% निकाल के किसी एक को जो हमारे सर्कल में आते, उतना अगर हम करें तो वही कबीर है. साय
Wow.
इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुंब समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, साधु ना भूखा जाए. मैं तो खा रहा हूं तो कोई और भी खाए. बस, that's it.
Beautiful, beautiful. That was really, really beautiful, and I hope we all would actually go out and just make a 5% contribution to what we have saved and use our and be grateful about the fact that we are on the blessed side and we are not actually out there struggling with it like a lot of others. So beautifully said, Raman. Just one last thing, because I'm really now looking at the time and just getting
Yes,
worried
yes,
that
yes.
we lose the session.
Yeah, the session
If
shouldn't
you
end
have
now. I think 6:05 we started, so दो मिनट में खत्म कर देते.
Acha, theek hai, done. So I always ask this to all my speakers, and this is the quote that success comes to those, but I don't complete it. I let the speaker complete, thinking and keeping their journey in mind. If you have to complete, success comes to those who. How would you complete it, Raman?
Those who know what is to be content. If you know exactly how much you need, then what will happen is then you will focus on your work and not on results. If you use success as a means to say मैं ये काम करके वो घर खरीदूंगा, मैं ये काम करके बंगला खरीदूंगा, फिर आप उसको चेस कर रहे हो, अपने पैशन को नहीं.
That's
So
true.
in my opinion, success comes to those who knows what is contentment.
Beautiful.
What is enough. If you know
Wow.
to put a full stop to say this much is enough, and then you will only focus on the work and not think of the results, then you'll automatically do a good work and automatically success will come.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well said, Raman. And thank you so much for coming on our show today, sharing your time with us, sharing your journey with us, and telling us so much about everything. And just I'm sure audience would have taken a lot back. A little bit positive, feelings, little bit of, happy feelings, and maybe a little inspiration also from Raman. And that's the School of Life all about. So thank you once again, Raman, to be on our
And
show.
thank you, ISIM. Thank you, Sonia ji, and the team behind who worked very hard, who's been coordinating with me and all other artists. Give our special regards to Drashti, to Anita, and all of you. And ISIM is doing a fabulous work by bringing in and giving us all an opportunity to connect and share our life journeys. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Raman. And that was Raman with us, Mr. Raman Iyer. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel, Indian School of Image Management, on YouTube. You can also click the bell icon and get notification for our latest videos.